Right, subtracting fractions. We can only subtract fractions that have the same denominator. So let's take a look at some examples. So for number 1, 6 over 10 take away 3 over 10. So we have two terms having the same denominator. So the denominator is both 10. So we can subtract. So we have a common denominator of 10. Write that on the bottom. And let's subtract the numerators. 6 take away 3, write that on top, all divided by that common denominator 10, and 6 take away 3 is 3 divided by that 10. So that should be the solution to number 1. Let's have a look at another one. 7 over 9 take away 1 over 9. So let's check the denominator terms. So I have a denominator of 9 here, a denominator of 9 here. The denominators are the same, they're common. So take a common denominator of that 9. And on the top, let's subtract. So let's calculate 7 take away 1. So let's write the 7 take away 1 on top. And in this case, 7 take away 1 is 6 divided by that 9. So that should be the solution to number 2. Now, you can cancel this, so you can reduce this fraction further. So 3 goes into 6 2 times, and 3 goes into 9 3 times. So that could be reduced further to give us 2 over 3. So this is the answer to number 2. Now, some for you to try. Have a go at example 1, questions 1, 2 and 3. I'll give you a few moments and then I'll go through the answer shortly. Right, for number 1, let's check whether the denominators are the same. So I have a denominator of 10 here, a denominator of 10 here. So the denominators are certainly the same. So let me have a common denominator of 10. And let's subtract the numerators. So 7 take away 5. So 7 take away 5 is 2. And it's 2 divided by that 10 below. Now I can simplify this further. So 2 goes into 2 once, and 2 goes into 10 5 times to give me an answer of 1 over 5. So that should be the solution to number 1. Right, for number 2, let's check the denominators. Denominator of 5 here, denominator of 5 here. The denominators are the same. So let me take a common denominator of 5. So let's subtract the numerators. So 4 take away 2. Let's write that on the top. 4 take away 2 is 2 over that 5 below. So the answer is 2 over 5. Right, for number 3. I have a denominator of 15 for the first fraction, a denominator of 15 for the second fraction. So the denominators are the same. So let's have a common denominator of 15. And let's subtract the numerators. So let's write down 14 take away 8. And 14 take away 8 is 6. So it's 6 over the 15. And I can reduce this further so we can cancel. So 3 goes into 6 2 times. 3 goes into 15 5 times to give us an answer of 2 over 5. So that should be the solution to number 3. Right, how about some more? Try questions 4, 5 and 6. I'll give you a few moments and I'll go through the answers very soon. Right, for number 4, let's check the denominators. I have a denominator of 20 here, a denominator of 20 here. The denominators are the same. So let's have a common denominator of 20. And let's subtract numerators. So 4 take away 1. Let's write that on the top. 4 take away 1. 4 take away 1 is 3. 3 over 20. So that should be the answer to number 4. For number 5, I have a denominator of 25 here, a denominator of 25 here. So the denominators are the same. So let's have a common denominator of 25. And let's subtract the numerators. So 15 take away 13. So 15 take away 13. Let's write that on the top. 15 take away 13 is 2. So it's 2 over that 25 below. That should be the solution to number 5. For number 6, denominator of 100 here, denominator of 100 here. The denominators are the same. So let's have a common denominator of 100. And let's subtract the numerators. So 44 take away 11. So 44 take away 11 is 33. So it's 33 divided by the 100 below. So that should be the solution to number 6. Right, so this is it for subtracting fractions of the same denominator. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, if you did enjoy the video, be sure to subscribe, be sure to like the video, and I hope to see you again. Thank you.